What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chad checking in, and it was a long week. And now I'm off to show you guys something new, something exciting that I've been wanting to get my eyes on, my hands on. I'm headed up to Parkway Chevrolet, so just stay tuned and you're gonna see what I got for you, man. I know you're gonna love this. I know you're gonna love it. All right, and we are back. Just got up to Parkway Chevrolet, and we are going to see the new Z06, man. So this is the trailer which brought it in. That wrap looks amazing. So we're gonna get inside here in a minute. Gonna check it out. I'm sure RP Productions. Check out his YouTube, his Instagram. He works here, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna be in here. Hello. Need to sign in here?
Yes.
We have the competition sport seats, GT2 seats. So it looks like these bolsters are a lot higher. Oh, look at the airbag. So the higher bolsters, pretty much you could tell, for the competition sport seats. GT2 look a lot more comfortable, but still with some high bolsters. Oh, this is. Carbon wheel, everything carbon. It's crazy because now, like, all of these things that you would buy aftermarket from other companies, now GM is giving it to you. You know, you have to buy it from them. So I'm pretty sure all this carbon stuff is gonna be crazy. 345, 25, 21. Pilot Sport 4S. Sport Cup 2s. Black, titanium. Actually, the machine looks real good. Satin graphite looks good. Definitely would do satin graphite or the machine. Titanium satin. The black just looks regular to me. Definitely carbon fiber. Real. Caliper options. It's like a satin yellow finish. They're not gloss. The only gloss I see is red, the black, and the gray. I like the satin. Definitely accelerate yellow, torch red. That caffeine doesn't look so bad either. The ceramic matrix. I don't know, dope colors. Carbon flash trim on this one. Sport Cup 2 tires. I like the LT6 on the side of the manifolds. This thing is crazy. It looks like these are the GT2 seats in here. Of course, the typical open up the door, carbon everything. Let's see how tight it is. Oh, jeez. Man. Suede, everything suede. Man, this thing is... Your Bose system here. Man. Slide these seats back a little bit more. Yeah. Info, track info. Wish I could see the damn display. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is... wireless charger. Of course, just like the regular C8. Everything's pretty much the same thing. This thing is nice, man. This is definitely nice. I really would like to get this thing on track. I might just have to get a Stingray at this point. It's actually... Nah, I can't get a Stingray. Gotta be a Z06. This is like crack. Of course, they got a couple Corvettes out here. This right here is a beauty. Another Stingray. Man, that car is crazy. I cannot wait to see that car on the track. I just want to drive one at the track. That's a nasty car, man. buying that car, you get all the canards, the aero, the interior. Literally everything is freaking done on the car, man. Only thing you gotta do is add some aftermarket wheels. Call it a day. Maybe throw a wrap on it if you want, but that's the purpose of just ordering the color that you want. Do some paint protection. That's it. So, hey, stay tuned. I mean, I'm really thinking about getting something very, very soon. Very soon. I'm really starting to get that itch, so I don't know if I want to go in and mod my F-body, throw a blower on it, man, or get something new at this point. I need something fast. I'm ready to go fast again. I'm ready to bang some gears, but everybody's like, these 10 speeds are crazy, which is cool, but I next car I wanted to kind of be my forever car. I'm tired of really buying cars. I really want to get to that forever car status. But like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you want to see next. Give me some input, some insight, your thoughts on the Z06, C8 Z06. And just stay tuned for the next video, man. Share it to your friends. Hit me up on social media. Check out my merch. Get some hats. We got shirts. Whatever it may be, man. Holla.